to Amazon, another stock like Apple that really gives plays throughout the year. 7-3. See. Some people would say they're waiting for this high right here, or this high for their next play, but Amazon showed strength. We fell, broke above, came down, tried to make a new high, didn't make the new high till pre-market on this date. So we're gonna mark this here. So just because this made a high up here, for example, this doesn't mean you should wait for this high for the next time you play. Just look for the momentum, or look for when we're trying to create new highs after a low. Then there you have the upward momentum that you could play. You just have to set up the right way though. Let's see, no. Let me see. Let's see. This is a decent psychological level at 224. Let's see, what's this? 223, 222, 223, 224. Let's see. Let's see what happened this date. 25. 1 minute time frame. Boom. It's a nice breakout. I mean, if you're not being greedy and you wait, if you're being greedy and you wait for 6 cents, then that's crazy. Let's see what it looks like at 224 flat. Boom, 224 flat. We break, close and hold above 223, red to green for the next high at 224. Damn, Amazon moves a little bit better than Apple. Full dollar move both times, both candles, well, almost both candles. Next date for, oh, I'm bugging. Let me not do that. Oh, I made a mistake. You see something? No, not clearing this. Move. I was supposed to make a blank setting for this so I don't delete my current lines. And it looked like I deleted them already for Amazon. Yep. Deleted my setting. That's crazy. Create new drawer. Sheesh. Next date I got is 7-11. 7-11. Nice downtrend. This is the high right here. I mean, there's no real other highs in this area. Let me see. It's like it made one high. What's this? 244. 34. Let me try 26465. I'm gonna do 22450. Let's see what happens at this downtrend. Anything can happen at these downtrends. Let's see what it look like. Crazy rejection. 224.50 level. That's crazy. Yeah, this is a good rejection. 224.50.